Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, how are you? I hope all of are well. In this video I will show us one of the best website, that means image background remover. Okay, so many of us tell us what is the process of image background remover. I can show you one website, and this is the best way to remove image background remove. Okay, so here you can see this is the one of the best website, removal.ai. You can browse on your browser and type removal.ai and you can find this website. Okay, so here you can see choose a photo or drag and drop image. Okay, so I can first I can download any image, and so I go to some free image. This is the website of copyright free image, www.pixel.com, and it is one of the best free copyright image. You can use this image every website, every content, every video. There is no strike in YouTube video. So first of all I collect any image. Okay, so I will type flower image, flower. So I will download this picture. Yeah, this picture is I download here, download, and we can go our main website removal.ai and choose photo, click here, and our file is this is pixel Christina Nor. Okay, and open it. You can see upload here this image, and wait some moments. You can see here is a background is remove and easy. So, and you download high quality or download, we can download it, and here you can see this image. Okay, so I hope understand how will the process of image background. Okay, you want to try another website, because there are a lot of website image background remover, but I use removal.ai, and this is the best, and I use this website. You can also use this website removal.ai, and it is totally free. So best of luck. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my Jan Info channel. Here I can upload many tech related video and tips and tricks. Thank you.